Everyone says constipation, the fix for it is simple. Eat more fiber, drink more water, take a walk. But what if constipation isn't a fiber problem? What if it's a flow problem? Not just in your gut, but in your nervous system, your hormones, and even your mindset. When the body can't let go, it's usually because something deeper inside you isn't moving. See, your colon isn't just a tube. It's a living, intelligent system. It's run by its own nervous network, what we call the enteric nervous system, your second brain. When stress, toxins, or emotional tension interfere with that wiring, your natural rhythm slows down. You can pile fiber on all day long, but if the engine that moves your digestion isn't firing, nothing flows. There are layers to this. Nerve and brain-gut communication. When your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight, digestion shuts off. Hormones, low thyroid, high cortisol, even serotonin imbalances can freeze gut movement. The microbiome, good bacteria that keep your gut moving, get wiped out by stress, poor diet, and antibiotics. Your lifestyle matters. Sitting all day, holding tension, ignoring urges your body learns to hold on. Constipation isn't just what's happening in your colon, it's what's happening in your life. And here's something I see in practice all the time. When the nervous system is rebalanced through chiropractic adjustments, the nerves that activate the large intestine begin firing properly again. That increased motility, that movement, is your body remembering how to do what it's designed to do. It's incredible to watch people who've been stuck for years finally start moving again, not because of another supplement, but because their nervous system finally woke up. That's one layer. True digestive health starts upstream in the upper GI tract, your stomach, your gallbladder, and pancreas, right? Your stomach, gallbladder, pancreas. They all need to be strengthened, right? So when we strengthen those systems, when your stomach acid, enzymes, and bile are all flowing properly, everything downstream begins to synchronize. You absorb better. You break down food more efficiently. You reduce inflammation and bloating. And the lower gut finally has what it needs to move. Chiropractic helps reactivate those upper GI nerves by resetting the signals from the brain down the vagus nerve and sympathetic chains, but that's part of the full picture. And this is where functional medicine comes in, to uncover the root cause of why those systems went weak in the first place. Is it adrenal burnout? Is it thyroid dysfunction? Is it a microbiome imbalance, nutrient deficiency, toxic burden? We use advanced functional medicine testing to map that out and build a plan that restores function from the inside out. So while chiropractic restores the communication, functional medicine restores capacity. Together, they create a multi-tiered approach that doesn't just chase symptoms. It rebuilds the entire system, from the brain to the bowel. The gut doesn't lie. When you can't digest food, sometimes it's because you're not digesting life. Constipation is the physical version of holding on to stress, to fear, to control. It's your body way of saying, I need to move, I need to release. And the moment you start addressing the nervous system through chiropractic, breath work, and functional medicine, the body starts remembering how to flow again. To restore rhythm, think reset, not relief. Move daily. Even 10 minutes teaches the gut motion again. Right? Get that peristalsis going. Hydrate with minerals, not just plain water. Rebuild your microbiome with fermented foods or targeted probiotics. Calm your nervous system through chiropractic care, meditation, breath. Support and strengthen the upper GI system so the whole chain flows. Use functional medicine to find and fix the imbalances that weaken the system in the first place. Let go emotionally because the colon can't relax if you don't. And when you heal the upstream systems, the downstream flow returns naturally. Constipation isn't a failure of your body. It's a message from it, a reminder that something upstream in your stress, your chemistry, your lifestyle is holding out. So when we free the nervous system, we free the body. When we restore function, we free the chemistry. And when both move, the soul flows. Thanks, guys. Be well.